if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then keep watching. Hey guys, so today I will be doing a full inspired look. I will be mostly focusing on eyeshadow. I'll be doing my base, but not as in-depth as I did last time. If you want to see more of a detailed video of me doing my base, then you can go check out my last video. So first, I'm going to start out with moisturizer. It's the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Moisturizer with SPF 30. Next, I will be using the NARS Lip Balm in the shade Orgasm. I'm going to start with the Makeup Revolution Bronzer Stick in F13. The Fast Base, I think that's what they're called. I'm going to put it in all those places. No, it's crooked, don't worry. Next, I'm using the Cheeky Tint Blush Stick by Huda Beauty. Wait, scratch that. I will be not using this today. I'll be using orange blush because it's gonna look better with my look that I have planned out. So now I'm gonna blend this all out. Now I will be adding some foundation. The Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation in the shade 8N. I'll be using half a pump more. The Dior Backstage Concealer in the shade 1W. Just going on back with my brush to blend it better on my forehead. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes and my face with Huda's Easy Bake powder in the shade Cupcake. I'm gonna take my powder puff for my under eyes. Whatever's left on the lid, I'm just gonna take my big fluffy brush and set everything else. Now I'm gonna take my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade 5 and just fill my brows quickly. I'm gonna clean my brows up. I'm gonna take some concealer and a flat round brush. I'm gonna clean my brows up as well as prime my lids for eyeshadow. And I'm gonna take a little bit of my foundation and then clean on the top. If I use concealer there, it's gonna look weird and different and uneven and just lighter. Here, they look quite even. Now I'm just gonna blend it out. I guess I'm just gonna use the tip of this. There. I'm gonna use my powder brush to set that again. And I'm just gonna quickly spoolie through them. I'm gonna take my Murmur Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula in the shade Bronze Deep and just add some bronzer here and there. Just slightly bring back whatever we may have lost. And obviously do my nose. I have the Morphe X James Charles palette, and now I'm gonna take this orange shade from it, the fourth shade on the top, and then use that to add more color on as blush. Take the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette and just add a slight depth by using the contour medium and light, just slightly. And I'm gonna use the light color to brighten the under eye area. Look how bright the under eyes look. I'm gonna take my Dior Forever Nude Glow highlighter and really apply it to my cheeks. Next, I will be taking the lime green color, first shade on the very bottom row, at the very end. And keep it just like that. Go a little bit deeper, but not too much. Just like that. Next, we're gonna go in with that same color that I used for blush earlier, the 4th shade in the first row. And we're gonna do the same just like we did with this green. Just blend it. Don't try to blend it together much. Just keep it till here. Just like that. That's exactly how it's supposed to look like. We're gonna take the dark orange right next to the lighter orange. So the 5th shade in the first row. And we're gonna pack this on right under that shade that we laid down earlier. Just like this. And then we're gonna take the dark green, very last row, 2nd shade, and put it where we put the light green earlier. Like that. Now we're gonna blend these. We're gonna take a clean brush and we're gonna go back into those very light colors and blend the darker colors out with that. Cleaned it off. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. Second shade from the first row. This is pearlescent color, and I'm just gonna set the cut crease with this. 4th row, 2nd color, should be a really dark green shimmery color, and take that and put it at the end. And take the dark green. Sixth color in the first row, which is a very orange color. Put it right next to the green. Bright orange color next to it. And that shimmer back. Next, I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue, get on a brush, and put it on the very top of the cut crease. Now I'm going to take my glitters and fill that space in. Next, I'm going to take the Makeup by Mario liquid eyeliner and give myself a wing. Pour a little extra glitter. I'm going to put this Urban Decay glitter liner, Heavy Metals glitter liner. I'm going to be adding that green to my waterline. Some green, I'm going to smudge it and smoke it out with the orange. I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Extreme Frost highlighter on Choking on Ice, just to give a little bit of the purple. So this is one eye all complete. I'll be back when I finish the other eye. Okay, so these are my eyes all complete. What should we do for lips? Should we do orange, green, purple, ombre? Yellow and a hint of red. It's gonna create an orange. Bittersweet by Too Faced. Wipe as much off as we can and then line our lips with this. I'm gonna blend this using my lip brush. Let's add pop-up gloss on top, just cause. Why not? 2 purple glosses. Either I have the Jeffree Star The Gloss in the shade Wizard Glass, or I have Essence Ulta Beauty Girls United Gloss in Top Notch. Let's try both and see which one's the best. This is the Ulta one. And then this is the Jeffree Star one. Let's go with this. For extra reflex, let's use his what's it called? Extreme Frost. The one same I use on my eyes. Yeah, this is the look. I am loving it. Now I'm going to use the Set All Night Micro Fine Setting Mist by e.l.f. It's so microfine that I can barely feel it. So I drench my whole face. Alright, this is the finished look. Got a rust orange colored dress on. It's from last year. I got it at Target. Actually, it's from 2 years ago. I got this dress 2 years ago from Target. I think similar ones right now in stores. And so I just did like a high bun. Wore some gold earrings. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what else would you like to see. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching. Follow my Instagram and my TikTok at @navsnow.